Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2024 StilRide 1 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. While many motorcyclists are skeptical about battery-powered sport bikes, cruisers, touring bikes, and adventure bikes, there is no doubt that electricity is a fantastic power source for urban applications. Range or charging speed aren't issues, and the always available torque is ideal for getting around town. The all-new 2024 StilRide 1 from Stockholm shows that electric-powered two wheels can also be striking works of industrial art. The first thing you'll notice about the 2024 StilRide 1 is its stainless steel monocoque frame. StilRide calls the design industrial origami, and it is fabricated by robots from recycled Swedish steel using proprietary StilFull technology. The StilRide 1 weighs in at 286 pounds, 2 pounds lighter than a Honda PCX150 scooter. A 5.1 kilowatt-hours battery is built into the frame, with a hub motor installed in the rear wheel, while the 8 horsepower maximum output from the permanent magnet synchronous motor, the 155 foot-pound of torque produced is massive. In comparison, a Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle 135 cubic inch stage 4 performance crate engine tops out at 143 foot-pound of grunt. Top speed, however, is an in-town friendly 60 miles per hour. The 2024 StilRide 1 has non-adjustable suspension, though the fork is inverted, and a linkage system helps out the shock. And the solo seat is also suspended. Same size 13-inch wheels are shod with 130 by 50 Michelin City Grip 2 tires. There's a disc brake with a hydraulic caliper on each wheel, with Continental 2-channel anti-lock braking system managing overzealous hands. A nice styling touch is the integration of the master cylinders into the handlebar. There's a proprietary electric vehicle control unit on the StilRide 1, and it interacts with your smartphone via the Still Control app. The app supplies various pieces of data, including battery status, geographic positioning, service diagnostics, and theft protection. The StilRide 1 is the culmination of many years' ambition, passion, and experimentation, distilled into a deliciously unconventional lightweight electric motorcycle that isn't only a feat of engineering, but a work of art. StilRide CTO and co-founder Tubiger tells us, it has been designed for both the motorcycle enthusiast and the design and sustainability purist. We can't wait for our first customers to experience the pure joy of our ride and join us in setting a new gold standard for sustainable electromobility. You'll have to wait until this summer to find out when you can ride a 2024 StilRide 1 electric scooter. Ordering the limited Founders Edition shown in the photographs, which will be numbered, begins before summer hits. The MSRP is €15,000. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.